kasounds, today we are going to make sizzling balut. Here are the ingredients that we are going to need. I have my cooked balut already that I rolled into flour. I'm gonna pan fry it just to make it a little bit crispy on the outside. And here are the ingredients that we are going to use for the sauce. Tongue twister Worcestershire sauce, paprika, we have onion, garlic, butter, and of course our fried balut, a little bit of cream optional. First I'm gonna go ahead and fry the garlic. Just brown it a little bit. And now we can add our onions or shallots. Whatever you have available in the kitchen will work. Okay, just cook it just until they're both fragrant. And now I'm just adding a little bit of pepper flakes, that's optional. I'm adding my oyster sauce. I'm adding my Worcestershire sauce. I can never pronounce it. I'm adding my cream. Keep stirring. And that sauce right there, that is the sauce from the balut. I saved it earlier. Salt and pepper to taste. And now we're almost ready. Let's get that sizzling plate hot. Let's add some butter. Wait for it to melt. And now we can add our balut. There you go. Lastly, we can add the sauce that we made earlier. Ta-da! There goes our sizzling balut. Enjoy! See you on the next video.